First service call in Kemah, Texas. Had a customer complaint for a water leak on RTU1. You can clearly see was the issue right there. It's not draining. Look at that drain line. Lack of maintenance. Yeah, as you can see right here, look where they have it just draining towards the roof. You got that gunk coming out. There you go. Yep. Once we got that cleared, you can see all that little trash starting to drain how it's supposed to. Through the old damaged, broken, draining down the roof. Make sure nobody was there, of course. And check out the final piece. Looks good, looks smooth, and check out the view.